Hello and welcome to my channel. Today there's a lot of things that I should do. I will continue digging holes for the 3 posts remaining, and I will transfer some posts from here, from there to the edge, and I will try to erect the post today. And I will also fetch some gravel down below, and so enjoy and watch over me as I do my struggle here working alone at the top of the mountain. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so that others will also learn something. Thank you. Hello. It was lunchtime, so I went down to eat something. Now I'm going back to the mountain where my dragon fruit is placed, are placed. It's a little bit far, so I have a carabao here. I hope he's here. Oh, it's not here. Maybe later. So there was a tree. This is a very large tree. It fell. So I made these stairs. I dug some parts of the mountain, making stairs. I also made these stairs. Took me 3 days to, oh, not 3 days. It was 4 days. 4 days to finish these stairs. There, there are my dragon fruits. So I will be moving the post. Okay, but first I have to make something that would support the post. This one pipe, PVC pipe. I'll cut some of this to roll this post to the edge. Oh, it's a little bit far, but it's okay. I have to choose which one. Okay, I'll just cut the video for a moment. So I will be cutting this long PVC blue pipe. So I was using this one, but it's a little bit higher. So I think it's better to use the small one. I just have to cut this. That's it. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is enough. So I guess I will be using this 1, 2, and then 3, and place it here, and then I will drag it down there to the edge. It will be very hard. So each post is 85 kilos. It's very heavy. I cannot use this post because it's damaged. There are cracks, so I have to use this one. I think I will only use this for, what do you call this, support to make post. So I will be dragging this post. So I'll just place this camera here. This is going to take time. Whew. I have an idea not to damage the post. I have to cut this video for a moment. So I decided to put a slab, put a slab at the bottom. See, I have the other choice. Let's see if it will work. Oh, today is very hot. Very hot sunny day. So it's working. So I will not have any more damage on my post. So it really is better to put some support at the bottom. So the purpose of the wood support is because when as we go, the post will get cracked with the PVC. So it is better to have support so that it will not get cracks. I was suffering some cracks before with some of my posts, so this is a little bit far. It's getting harder and harder because it's climbing the mountain. so hot. Today is a very hot day. It's so hard, but I was able to reach at the edge. So 5 more to go. Oh, it's not easy to position the camera. So this one helps not to make my post crack. And this helps a lot. Oh crap. Sorry about that. So 5 more to go. Crap. So it's better to use the ones on the edge here. These ones I have to use. Oh crap. I have to position it. So I guess I have to fast forward the video, time lapse, because it's taking too long. So that is how long I am transferring the post from here to the edge, to there at the edge of the mountain. Okay, I just have to switch this off for a while, for a moment. See you guys. So okay, let's go. I'm always bringing this thing because sometimes I see snakes on the road, so I have to go down. I need to get those buckets with the gravel. It's a little bit far. So because this place is way up in the mountain. Okay. And yeah. I made those steps. Took me 4 days to finish it. Also this one. It was supposed to be here, but during the rain it was so slippery, so I transferred it here. So I have a water buffalo. I will wash him later. He's swimming with the mud. She likes it there. She's a female water buffalo. Now I have to get the buckets. Sasha. So those are my buckets. I'm going to bring it there to the mountain. So I decided to wash my water buffalo first. She likes it there. I think that's it. So here in the mountain I like to go barefoot. See? It's grounding. Oops. So as you can see, these are my posts. I already had drag it from there to here. It's a little bit far. These are the gravels bucket. This is industrial bucket. So first I will put in the hole some gravel. This is 2.5 feet. I will put a little gravel and then later I will put the post. So the purpose of the gravel is so that the post, if I will bury the post, the soil water will not penetrate immediately to the post and will damage the post. So it prevents the post to get damaged as time goes by. So that's it. Now I will drag one more post and I will place it here. So I was using my cart. Remember the cart where I put all the gravel? So I decided to try to use it here and it worked. So it's better than using those blue PVC pipes, because this blue PVC pipes is, even I place a wood, still there's a crack. Now I have to bring this back over there and fix the cracks. Anyways, so the one I took from there, drag it from here using this cart. I made this cart, so I managed to pull it up. Now I have to erect all of this remaining posts. First post I will erect is this one, and then this second one, this one, third, fourth, and then fifth, sixth. I managed to stand it up. Okay. So heavy. Oh, luckily there's clouds. Oh, thank you God. So remaining 5 posts. I know. 1, 2, 3. 3 remaining. Oh crap. Very good. I don't have cracks on all of the posts that I erected. Except only to that one. I have to return that one there because it's cracked. Crap. It's too heavy. Next time I will be using this trolley that I made of wood. So then later I will properly stand this, placing some gravel on the sides so that the soil will not directly be in contact with the cement. It will not damage the post as time goes by. So that's it. Hello everyone. So the one that is damaged and the post that I brought it there, and I decided to bring it back here and decided to chip it. I will try to fix this. I also had prepared the other post. I will put cement again and make a post again here together. Also I will try to fix this post. I hope that it will not crack again after I fix it. So this is ready for the next batch of 3 pieces, and then on the next day 3 pieces again. So this is ready for the next post. But since there I wasn't able to finish the erecting of the post, so properly how do we call this, stand this post, make the post stand. So I need to get some gravel so that I will be able to place it on the side of the post, because I don't want that the soil will touch the post, because it will damage the post in the coming years. So this will prevent the post to get damaged. So okay. So I'll be back. Hello, I'm here again. I will be using this for aligning the post. So this one to make the hole where I am placing the steel bars for the tires support, for the tire support. So first I will make that hole, then align it with this one. Yes, that's it. I managed to fill it with the gravel and aligned it. Then I will do the other post. So finally, I'm in the last post. It's 5:31 p.m. That's it. I'm finished for today. It's already getting dark, and my posts are now properly in place. As you can see, they are straight in line with the rest of the post, except one post there. As you can see here, see? So it's straight to the rest of the post, and also this one is straight. So I think that's it. So tomorrow I will get a seawater, since the sun is now getting too hot, because it's summertime. It is now summertime. So we'll see, because some of the dragon fruit branches are starting to get yellow. So what I done before is that I just spray it with seawater, mixed with fresh water, and we will see the result. You will see the result. I'll show it. But tomorrow, let's go to the beach. See you.